Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done plenty of videos on the blend tool, but I'm going to give a few tips I've learned over the year. I'm going to select these two and I'm going to blend them 15 times. And then I'm going to go right here and pick a new path and I'm going to put it on the path. And then I'm going to blend along full path and rotate the objects in this case. And if you see, it's almost perfect because I set my acceleration a little differently. Let's back up here and let's set it back to normal and then blend to full path and see how the first ones are touching. So you can just move the acceleration up and hit apply. And you can also take away another blend and have one less blend. Now, another little trick, if you don't like the way that looks, you can literally take the last blend, holding down the shift key and have it grow in and make them smaller. Same case, holding down the shift key and make this one larger to kind of get more the look you want. And particularly like this one's not even on the path anymore. It kind of is, but this, they're just off a little bit. So you could literally go up to, you have to really select everything, go up to object and break the blend apart, and then you can remove that first one if you want by hitting delete on your keyboard and doing whatever you want with them. And because we have lessened or made it break apart, we can make this black, actually make it a green and make it thicker, make it look like a vine. Whoa, forgot how little I was working. Maybe a little bit thicker. And then you could literally turn all your leaves green and have at this case, you would probably want to, you might want to take away the outline by right clicking your mouse, but I got rid of that outline. So we could nudge this outline out of the way. Let's move it like 2 inches. Probably wouldn't want to have that green anyway. And you could select these two and take away the outline and then make this a little bit darker by holding down the control button and add a little brown to it. Make it a little darker and then move it right back. Now, some of your leaves are in front of it and you could literally, now these are broken apart, but the center ones are still a group. So you could ungroup them. And then what you could do is say, I want that one on the front of the vine, but I want this one in the back of the vine. So I can go to order back of page. And you could do that a lot quicker by doing every other one, just holding down your shift key and selecting every other leaf and then go up to object, order, back of page. So now you have some leaves on the top, some leaves on the bottom. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.